Hello, myself Anik Gautendra. I belong from a seahorse-shaped state in India, that is Chhattisgarh. I have pursued my graduation from Chhattisgarh Institute of Medical Sciences, Bilaspur. Also, I am a very keen observer and an entertaining and amusing type of personality. I am very passionate about dancing and singing, and I'm glad to reach the round 5 of Global Key Challenge, and owe my thanks to Xavier's for this. Prompt 2. A live demonstration is must to develop certain skills, and this is posing an unaddressed COVID related challenge for medical students, that is, lack of confidence in the clinical skills and patient dealings. Due to the escalating case fatality rate due to pandemic, there is widespread termination of the clinical placements, face-to-face teaching sessions, and examination. It has greatly reduced the exposure of the medical students and also posed substantial issues on learning experience and professional development. Today, the eyes do the inspection, the ears do auscultation, and hands adjust for the pause and play of the online classes. It's hard to have a patient to doctor or inter-colleague relationship. We are overcoming this by listening to the case-based discussion scenarios on podcasts, hard sounds on the Littman's Sound Library, and clinical exam videos conducted by OSCE and MacLeod's, etc. Practicing virtual consultations with simulated patients in small peer groups and also solving the clinical beginnings have proven to be of great usage. Prompt 3. For galvanizing my team, first and foremost would be solidarity, with which will bind my team and help them work together. Considering this as a war against the COVID-19 pandemic and ourselves as the COVID warriors, I would like them to keep the notion of protect our people and our nation first. I've also created a feedback mechanism in which they would input their ideas and the brilliant ideas amongst them would be encouraged. On top of that, we can combat against the deadly virus and invigorate them so that we soon get back to the pre-COVID lives. I would always ensure them of their safety, accommodation, food allowances, and make sure that the safety of their family won't be jeopardized at any cost. Proper equipment, compensation, and also recreational activities would thereby protect both the mental and physical well-being of the workers. Prompt 4. I will first wind up my rounds with my current patient as it's my primary objective, and then suspend the further rounds. Later on, I can request my resident to kindly head towards a controlled setting and have a clear-cut conversation regarding the incident. I would first express the resident that it was on the part of the nursing staff, as I had asked them to discard the needle in the white transparent box and the syringe separately in the red bin. In a haste to complete the rounds and to see other patients, I had left them unsupervised, due to which they had mingled up the colors of the waste bin. I will apologize on their behalf as I am accountable on their act and affirm my senior that this won't be repeated again. Also, in this case, the patient is distrusted about the hospital management and might think how careless the doctors and the institution is, and even doubt the treatment and fear of contracting the nosocomial infections. The president in this case would be annoyed and displeased with the act of not disposing the waste according to the biomedical waste management guidelines, and would be infuriated, obviously, and worried regarding what's going on in the hospital, and that he would have been answerable to the higher authorities later.